Hello, my name is Alfred, and I'm an instructor for the Full Stack Development Program at Clarusway. I've been working in the industry for several years now, and I have a passion for teaching the latest technologies to aspiring developers. A typical day for me as an instructor at Clarusway includes preparing and delivering lectures, leading hands-on coding exercises and projects, providing individualized support to students who need extra help. I also spend some time reviewing students' work and providing constructive feedback. One of the biggest challenges in teaching full stack development is that some students may have little to zero knowledge in coding in general. To help these students understand complex concepts, I use a variety of teaching methods, such as visual aids. Also, we use real-world examples and breaking down a complex concept to smaller pieces and chunks so the student can grasp them fast. For example, when I teach a new concept such as a database management, I will start with the basic idea of data storage and gradually build up to more complex topics like SQL queries and data normalization. For students who may be struggling to keep up with the classwork, we provide additional resources such as office hours, one-on-one tutoring, and online resources such as video tutorials and practice exercises. We also have an active student community where students can share their work, share their knowledge, and help each other. And personally, I believe this is the way that you can learn and grow by joining the community and share your thoughts and coding experience. In my opinion, the most essential knowledge and skills for aspiring full stack developers are a solid understanding of a core programming concept, proficiency in at least one programming language, and the ability to think critical and problem-solving skills. What sets Clarusway apart from other boot camps or coding boot camps in general is our emphasis on hands-on learning and real-world projects. Our curriculum is designed to give students practical experience working with the latest technology and tools, and our instructors are industry experts who are up to date with the latest technology in development and in the field. My advice to incoming Clarusway students is to be prepared and work hard and stay focused. The full stack development program is fast-paced and very challenging, but with dedication and focus, you will be able to master all the skills that you need to succeed in that industry. In conclusion, I highly recommend Clarusway to everybody interested in pursuing career in full stack development. The instructor, curriculum, and the community are top-notch and will provide you with the skill and support you will need in your journey and in the field. Thank you, considering Clarusway, for your education and career goals.